Here is a healthy and low-calorie snack recipe: strawberry rhubarb ice pops. Ingredients: 3 cups chopped fresh or frozen rhubarb, 1/2 inch. 1/4 cup sugar. 3 tablespoons water. 1 cup strawberry yogurt. 1/2 cup unsweetened applesauce. 1/4 cup finely chopped fresh strawberries. 8 freezer pop molds or 8 paper cups, 3 ounces each, and wooden pop sticks. Directions: place rhubarb, sugar, and water in a large saucepan. Bring to a boil. Reduce heat. Simmer, uncovered, until thick and blended, 10 to 15 minutes. Remove 3/4 cup mixture to a bowl, cool completely. Save the remaining rhubarb for another use. Add yogurt, applesauce, and strawberries to bowl. Stir until blended. Fill each mold or cup with about 1/4 cup rhubarb mixture. Top molds with holders. Top cups with foil and insert sticks through foil. Freeze until firm.